Hi guys, today we're at 12236 67A Avenue in Strawberry Hill area of Newton. It's absolutely fantastic here. You want to check out this fabulous single family home. Enjoy your tour.
Welcome to 12236 67A in Newton. Beautiful home on a beautiful 8,000 plus square foot lot. We've got 3 bedrooms and a games room on the top floor, 2 full bathrooms and a half bathroom on the top floor, and a traditional layout on the main floor. It's a beautiful location. It's on a 5-foot crawl space. Let's go inside and have a look.